Good afternoon there, folks. Matt Walters at SurePoint with Jake outside of Mushad, Idaho. Jake, what do we got going on today?
We're cultivating potatoes, spraying for a pre-emergent weed killer.
All right, and today specifically we're running SurePoint's Sentinel Rate Control along with some new technology to be able to control 33 individual nozzles on this spray bar. Just got it working here a couple hours ago. Got the installation completed, and Jake, what do you think? How's it working?
It's working awesome. It seems to be holding the rate really, really well. I mean, all the nozzles you can see down here are holding the rate dead set at that 17.5 gallons where I've got the target rate set. I mean, and they're shutting off and starting just right on the ends. I mean, it's working phenomenal.
And one of the things that you were really interested in this system was each of these individual nozzles, each of our 33 nozzles on the spray boom on the back of this cultivator, have the ability to turn on and off individually, and that's going to be important, especially on your end rows, is really what you're concerned with, correct?
Yeah. So we'll spray our end so that we get all the weeds controlled at the end of the field. Because they'll, if you start weeds growing out at the end of the field, they'll spread coming into the field throughout the year, and so we'll take and spray a pass across the end rows to make sure all that's controlled really well.
So this system was kind of an upgrade to a SurePoint system, if I understand correctly. You had been running the pump right from SurePoint for a year or two, correct?
Yeah.
And then this year went ahead and upgraded to Sentinel individual row control. So we've got the ability to monitor the flow rate as well as the application rate on every nozzle of the spray boom. And then Sentinel is also handling the rate control. So it's acting as our rate controller running on this John Deere Gen 4 platform. Any other thoughts?
If you guys are on the fence about it, I'd say jump in. It works great.
All right.
Absolutely phenomenal.
Sounds good. We'll catch you later, folks.